Hey everyone, and welcome to Strama AI. We're happy to have you, and we are looking forward to guiding you on your onboarding journey to getting started and getting responses with Strama. So, today we are going to look at a foundational element of Strama called the company profile. And the company profile is what we are going to use to help curate the appropriate content for your target audience, whether it's the value proposition, the personas, different case studies. We want to research that information ahead of time to provide that to our agent to be able to make sure that we're providing the appropriate content to get the responses that you need. So let's go ahead and let's dive in. So what we're going to do is in Strama, we're going to navigate to our settings page um, here. And our settings page, we have a few different options. You want to navigate to team info. Now, team info is going to give you two record fields, the team name, as well as the company profile. So this is our area of focus today, is this company profile. And so you see by default, if you've gone through our onboarding process, then we've gone ahead and we've done our best to take a first pass at this. We're going to look at publicly available information about your company, and we are going to generate all of the aspects of what I talked about: background on your company, value proposition, what are your products, um, different target markets, success stories, benefits, ICP or ideal customer profile, etc. Now, we recognize that within a company, you could be organized by vertical, you could be organized by business size. So not all this may be relevant for you. Maybe you're only selling one of these products. So we do allow you to edit this. So if I wanted to say, oh, I only really sell the Ubiquity Cloud 4 platform, I can very easily delete these. If I am focused just on a certain industry, I can add that in here. I can delete that from here. And so we give you a lot of flexibility. Obviously, you're going to know your product and your company better than us. We just want to save you as much work as we can and provide that in this research profile for you. Now, again, in the event that we don't have something, again, you can always edit it, but say that you're not sure how you want that exactly to sound. One thing that I've found helpful is just using ChatGPT. So in this case, I've kind of gone ahead and looked at, hey, what are some additional success stories that we can reference for this customer, or say that I'm TCS, that I want our agent to take a look at and use within our email sequences. So I could take a look. Here's here's some information that I've pulled. So in this case, I'll take this prompt and say, these are great. Let's add these to my prompt below. And I'm going to just copy and paste that. What we'll do is we'll upload this. So now I've just taken the information Strama's already developed. It's looking at the information that it provided me, and it's going to go ahead and update my playbook. Here is, boom, here is the success stories I was going to add. Let's just say, sorry, add it to my um, prompt and show me the whole thing in Markdown. So we like using Markdown for organization. We find that the agents read this easier. So we're going to give it a minute. There it is. And there's our playbook now with those additional success stories added. So this is going to take a minute. Again, if you're wondering how I got this in here, you just ask GPT to add it in Markdown and it'll go ahead and do that for you. So that is going to take a minute. It's looking at Wisconsin-based success stories. And once that finishes, I'm going to copy that and we're just going to drop it right back to where we got it from. So let's give that a sec. Perfect. So that's done. That looks good. And I can easily make those changes in here. So once that's done, I would click save and we're all set. Now we can see that where is it? Our Wisconsin-based success stories are now included. So say I was a rep specifically covering the state of Wisconsin. Now these are use cases, success stories that Strama can now point to and integrate into our messaging. So pretty straightforward, pretty cool, but really powerful. And again, this is really a foundational element of what's going on here um, with Strama and the research that we're doing in order to, again, properly curate the messages that are going to get you the most responses. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly. Otherwise, stay tuned for the rest of the videos in our Getting Started series. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.